Welcome to a video by Ron. These are the variable pipettes or the digital pipette. They are not electronic pipettes, they are mechanical pipettes. Like this is 0.5 UL to 10 UL. So this is each one is showing this is a knob where and inside there is a air piston. You press it and then half it, then press it full, then you suck the liquid. This is auto eject. This pipette tip can be auto ejected. This one is 5.1 reading. Is this time it is showing 5.1 reading. I can make it 1 UL. This is almost now less than 1 UL. This is 0.5. The accuracy. This is 0.5 UL and goes up to 10 UL. Similarly, this one is 50 to 100 to 1000 UL. So the readings are shown in 100 is the minimum. I can bring it to 100. You see this, but it can go below 100 also. But it is designed for 100. And then this one also comes with the pipette tips, where we put the pipette tips on the front. I just show you working how it is done. There are separate pipette tips. You push it, it goes. If you have to eject the pipette tip, press this one and the pipette tip comes out. Now you can change the new pipette tip, use it, and then whatever volume, say you want to use the volume of 200 UL, take it to 200 and then press it, and then press more, then the liquid is sucked. It can go, the reading is minimum 10 UL up, going and down. Similarly, this one is 1000 UL to 10,000 UL. You can say 1 ml to 10 ml. Readings here it is showing 3.100. Now it can make it 3 ml. I can make it to 5 ml. See, inside is a 0.5 ml. Here also the pipette tip is ejected. See, this is ejected. So these are the tips which are coming here. They are autoclavable parts, front end part. And this one is when you press it half, then you press it more, then it sucks the liquid. Please visit the website and subscribe to the channel. WhatsApp, we have got all the different pipette tips. I just show you, this comes with the calibration. This one is one calibration showing for that. These are the available pipette tips available with us. I show you these are available 0.5 to 10 UL, 5 to 50, 50 to 200, even 100. We have got 10 to 100 also, 200 to 2000, 1000, 10 UL to 100 UL, 100 to 1000, 0.2 to 20 UL, 20 to 200 UL, 500 to 50, 5000 means 5 liter, 5 ml. And there are fixed volume pipettes also, almost same as pipette available. And we have got the multi-channel, 8-channel, 4-channel pipette tips. So here it tells you first step, second step, push it, make it ready, and how to use it. The manual shows the parts. These are the working. These are the calibrations. What are the variations allowed in that particular calibration? How to change it? Checking calibration, recalibration, all these, and these are the, you just see, these are the problems. It tells you the problems, what is the solution. Slowly it gives you, and then we have the puppet. Regularly there are full manual is provided. Please visit the website. We have got all available pipettes on www.abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 94160-20018. This one is 20018. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the videos. Thank you very much.